In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best truck toolboxes available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the truck toolboxes list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the truck toolboxes mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Portable Multi-Grid Tool Organizer Box. This portable part storage box is designed for convenience and versatility, perfect for organizing hardware, screws, and other small tools. Made from durable plastic, it features multiple grids for efficient arrangement, making it ideal for garages or workspaces. Its compact and lightweight design ensures easy portability while keeping your tools secure and accessible. Number 4, Waterproof Hard Case with Foam. This waterproof hard case offers superior protection for your tools and valuables. Designed with a sealed and anti-fall construction, it ensures durability and reliability even in challenging environments. The interior foam padding keeps items safe and well organized, making it a perfect choice for hardware storage and transport. Number 3, Waterproof Hard Case with Sponge. Available in 9 sizes, this versatile hard case combines durability with functionality. The waterproof and impact-resistant design ensures your tools and safety equipment remain protected. With a soft sponge interior, it's perfect for keeping your items secure during storage or travel, providing excellent value for professional or personal use. Number 2, Pre-Cut Foam Waterproof Toolbox. This plastic toolbox with pre-cut foam offers ultimate organization and protection. With 9 size options, it meets various storage needs, ensuring tools fit snugly and securely. Its waterproof and portable design makes it ideal for mechanics, engineers, or hobbyists seeking robust and reliable tool storage solutions. Number 1, Stackable Large Capacity Tool Case. This stackable tool case is designed for professionals who need a spacious and organized storage solution. With its large capacity and durable plastic construction, it's perfect for carrying and arranging tools efficiently. Ideal for garages, workshops, or on-the-go projects, it provides convenience and long-lasting reliability.